Tonight on It's the Law, NFL quarterback Colin Kaepernick is facing scrutiny this week after the San Francisco 49ers star chose to sit during the national anthem. Some calling the move un-American, others want him fired. Our legal analyst, attorney Jay Davis, is here to talk more about this. Jay, it's been all over the news about people reacting to Colin Kaepernick's decision, both positively and negatively. Some people say they want him fired. Is this a fireable offense?
Probably not. It's probably not a part of his job with the NFL to be mandated to do that. I haven't read that contract, so that I'm not sure. If it were to be a part of the contract to participate in these activities and to have no voice as to any kind of controversial issue with regard to that, then yeah, that would be a fireable offense. But I don't believe that's going to be the case, and I haven't heard any rumblings that's even at risk at this moment.
Someone brought an interesting point into this question. Put the NFL aside. Say this is just a normal job and someone doesn't, or chooses to protest something in their own way and potentially negatively show the company or give that light. Is that then a fireable offense?
Well, and Georgia's a right-to-work state. Georgia, so your company can fire you for anything. If it's not considered cause, you're entitled to unemployment. So if you're exercising a First Amendment right, it's probably not against their cause. But if you're working for some type of religious organization that is adamantly against one thing or another, and you promote that thing outside or as a part of that job, then that is a fireable offense, despite the fact that you have the right to say it. They also don't have the obligation to continue to employ you after you do that. So the fact that you exercise your rights doesn't guarantee your employment, but that generally can't be a reason for a cause for somebody to fire you and then make you not entitled to benefits afterwards. Even if nobody has to keep your job.
I was going to say, even if you were to peacefully do protests and things like that, you should be okay in Georgia.
Generally, if you've got a government job,
yeah,
the government is going to have to protect you in certain aspects to make sure that you maintain your freedoms.
Okay.
If you work for a private employer and your views are contrary to your employer's view, the employer will have a right to fire you. However, if that's not written into your contract, that will not be cause. But you can contract your rights away. So if you got a First Amendment right to say something, but you can contract not to say those things or voice those opinions while you're working for that company in certain aspects. And if you waive those rights, they're gone.
All right, Jay, thanks so much. And as always, we want to hear your legal questions. If you have any, you can send it to us at itsthelaw@41NBC.com. We'll answer it during the news at 6. We'll be